2007 Nissan Altima. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side at the feet, just below the glove compartment, and that's how we'll access it for replacement. The cabin air filter that I purchased, $12.99 from AutoZone. So to access the air filter, you just go ahead and reach underneath there. You can see that panel. Go ahead and just take that panel off. Once the panel is off, you can see the air filter will be exposed. All right, so the next step is just to remove the old air filter. So just reach in there with your hand. I'm doing the best I can to record it for you guys. Just finagle around with your fingers. Once you get a good grip, just go ahead and pull it on out. As you can see, this air filter looks like it hasn't been replaced in a while. It's very dirty. Yeah, it's pretty gross. A quick side-by-side comparison. Do not wait this long. All right, we're back, and it's probably going to be a tight fit. Not sure how much I'll be able to record it. I kind of started it out. You can see there's some dirt there, just to see how it would fit before I record it. So I'll see what I can show you. So kind of just squeeze it, pinch it like that. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult to show you guys, but kind of get it started. I just reach up to the top and I just kind of start pushing in. Try and get it seated in there. All right, I'm gonna have to come back when it's completed. Try and give you guys a visual. All right, it's all the way in, as you can see. Last step is to put the cover back on, see how much I can record for you. And voila.